Hello everyone, and welcome. In today's video, we'll explore how gear oil protects industrial gearboxes, and why it plays a vital role in keeping industrial equipment running efficiently. We'll discuss how the right gear oil reduces friction, prevents wear, controls heat, and extends the life of your gearbox. Whether you're a maintenance engineer, technician, or simply interested in industrial machinery, this video will provide practical insights to help you improve equipment reliability and reduce downtime. Let's get started. Industrial gearboxes operate under heavy loads, high temperatures, and constant friction, making proper lubrication essential. Gear oil forms a protective film between moving gear teeth, reducing metal-to-metal contact and minimizing wear. It also helps dissipate heat generated during operation, preventing overheating that can damage components. High-quality gear oil protects against rust, corrosion, oxidation, and sludge buildup, extending the lifespan of gears and bearings. Additionally, it cushions shock loads, ensuring smoother power transmission and reducing noise and vibration. Regularly checking gear oil levels and replacing contaminated or degraded oil helps maintain gearbox efficiency, lowers maintenance costs, and prevents unexpected equipment failures. Choosing the correct gear oil grade recommended by the manufacturer is vital for achieving maximum performance, reliability, and long-term operational safety. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.